Hello students, very good morning. See, we are discussing class 12th related chapter 4th determinants, and we have done question 9th, it is question 10th. Find the inverse of matrix 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 2, minus 3 and 3, minus 2, 4. It is of NCERT exercise 4.5. Now, first of all, in solution, let us find out the determinant of A. Determinant of A means we have to find the determinant of this completive 1 minus 1 2, 0 2 minus 3 and 3 minus 2 4. So determinant of this will become 1 into 2 4s are 8 minus into minus will become plus, and this minus is as it is. So 2 3s are 6 plus 1, because after this, here it is first row and first column will be eliminated. Now second row and second column will be eliminated. 0 into 4 means 0, minus minus, this minus and that minus will become plus. 0 plus 9, 3 3s are 9. See, it is 3 3s are 9. Now plus 2 into, now this row and this column will be eliminated. 0 into minus 2 is 0. Minus 3 into 2 is 6. So it will become 1 into 2 plus 1 into 9 plus 2 into minus 6. So this will be equal to 2 plus 9 minus 12. Means 11 minus 12, that is equal to minus 1. So determinant A is minus 1. Now let us find out C11. Cofactors we have to find now. C11, it will be equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 1, and then 1, first row and first column will be eliminated. 2 minus 3 minus 2 4. So it will be equal to plus 1, because here it is minus 1 raised to the power 2, which is even number. So 2 4 is 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6, that is equal to 2. Now C12, that will be equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 2, 1, 1, 2. Now 0 minus 3, 3, 4. 0 minus 3 and 3, 4. So it will be equal to minus 1 into, because here it is odd number, 1 plus 2 is 3, which is odd number, 0 plus 9. 0 plus 9, so it will become negative 9. Here it is 2, here it is minus 9. Now C13. C13 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 3. And in determinant 1, 3 means first row and third column will be eliminated. 0, 2, 3 minus 2. 0, 2, 3 and minus 2. So it will be equal to plus 1, because it is 1 plus 3, 4. 4 is even number. So minus 1 raised to the power 4 is 1. And 0 into minus 2 is 0. Minus 3 2s are 6. So it will be negative 6. Now C21. C21 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 1. And then in determinant, second row, first column will be eliminated. Minus 1, 2, minus 2, 4. Minus 1, 2 and minus 2, 4. So it will be equal to plus minus 1 and then minus 4 plus 4. That will be equal to 0. So 0 into minus 1 is 0. Now C22. C22 will be equal to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 2. Second row, second column will be eliminated. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and then 3, 4. So it will be equal to positive 1, because minus 1 raised to the power even number. Now 1 4 is 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So it will be equal to minus 2 only, because here it is 1. Now C23, it will be equal to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 3. So 2, second row and third column 2 3. 1 minus 1 and 3 minus 2. 1 minus 1 and 3 minus 2. So it will be equal to minus 1 because here it is 2 plus 3, that is 5. 5 is odd number. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, and then plus, because this minus and that formula minus will become plus. 3 1s are 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1, and then 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Now C31. C31 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1, and then after that we have to write in determinant. Third row in first column will be eliminated. Minus 1, 2 and 2 minus 3. Minus 1, 2 and 2 minus 3. So it will be equal to 1, and then because 3 plus 1 is 4, it is odd even number. So now minus 1 into 3 is minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to plus 3, and then minus, here it will be equal to, see, it is 3 1 means 3 and this 1, 3 and 1. So minus 1 2 and 2 minus 3, it is positive 2, huh? So minus 1 into minus 3 is 3 and 2 2s are 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1, so it will be equal to minus 1 only, because here it is odd number, even number, sorry, minus 1 raised to the power 4. So that's why this will be positive 1, and 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Now we have to find C32. So C32 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 2, and then in determinant, third row, second column will be eliminated. 1 2 and 0 minus 3. 1 2 and 0 minus 3. So it will be equal to minus 1 into what it is, minus 3 minus 0. So minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Now C33. C33 will be equal to minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 3, and after that what will be there? Third row and third column will be eliminated. 1 minus 1 and 0 2. 1 minus 1 and 0 2. So it will be equal to positive 1 because it is even number. 3 plus 3 is 6. So 1 2s are 2 plus 0. 1 into 0 is 0. So it will be 2 only. Now we have to find C, means it will be equal to C11, C12, C13. C11, C12, C13, C21, C22 and C23, C31, C32 and C33. So that will be equal to what? See what we have to write? We have to write this first of all. 2 minus 9 minus 6 in row. 2 minus 9 minus 6. And afterwards, what it is? 0 minus 2 minus 1. 0 minus 2 minus 1. And lastly, 0 to minus 2 minus 1. And then minus 1, 3, 2. Minus 1, 3 and 2. Now, what we have to find? Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to transpose of C, means C dash. The whole rows will be transferred into column. So 2 minus 9 minus 6 will become this column. 2 minus 9 minus 6, and then 0 minus 2 minus 1, and lastly minus 1 3 3. Sorry, minus 1 3 2. It is 2. Last element. That is 2. It is 2, huh? So now what we have to find? A inverse. A inverse is equal to adjoint of A upon determinant A. Adjoint of A upon determinant A. Determinant A value is minus 1. See, here we have find out minus 1. So it will be 1 upon minus 1, and then this complete. So 2 0 minus 1. Now minus 9 minus 2 3, and lastly minus 6 minus 1, and then 2. So finally we will get A inverse. Means what we have to do? We have to multiply this minus sign inside the matrix. So whole matrix sign, every element sign will be changed. All the signs will be changed. It will become minus 2, 0 and then plus 1, 9, 2 and minus 3, and here it is 6, 1 and minus 2. So this is the final answer, which is A inverse for question number 10. It is over. Now see, it is question 10. Find the inverse of matrix 1 0 0 0 cos alpha sin alpha and 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha. So first of all, let us find determinant of A and let it assign given first of all determinant A we will find. Determinant A is equal to what? 1 0 0 and then 0 cos alpha sin alpha and lastly 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha. So if we find determinant of this, so it will be very simple because we have to solve this only, because remaining elements are 0. So no need to solve this. So 1 into what we have to do, cos alpha into minus cos alpha means minus cos square alpha, and then minus sin alpha into sin alpha is sin square alpha. So minus sign we can take common. So determinant A is equal to what? Minus 1 into sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Value of sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1 only. So we may write here determinant A is equal to minus 1 because this is 1. So 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 only. Now determinant A we have got. So now let us find out C11. C11 means minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 1, and then first row, first column will be eliminated. C, first row and first column will be eliminated. Cos alpha minus cos alpha. Cos alpha, sin alpha, and then sin alpha minus cos alpha. So it will be equal to 1 only because minus 1 raised to the power even number. Minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. So it will be equal to 1 only because minus sign is taken common, so minus 1 it will be. Then minus sign if we take common from here, then it will become sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, and minus 1 into sin square alpha plus cos square alpha just like this only, so it will be minus 1. Now C12 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 2, and then first row and second column will be eliminated. First row and second column. So 0 sin alpha and 0 minus cos alpha. 0 sin alpha and 0 minus cos alpha. So it will be equal to what? First of all minus 1 will be there, and then 0 into minus cos alpha is 0 and 0 into sin alpha is also 0. So it will be 0 only because minus 1 into 0, that will be 0. Now C13 we have to find. C13 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 3. First row and third column will be eliminated. 0 cos alpha, 0 sin alpha. 0 cos alpha and 0 sin alpha. So it will be positive 1 because minus 1 raised to the power 4 it is. But here it is 0 minus 0 again. 0 into sin alpha 0, 0 into cos alpha 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0. So it will be 0 only. Now C21. Now we have to find C21. C21 is equal to what? Minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 1. Now second row, first column will be eliminated. So it will be 0 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha. 0 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha. So it will be equal to minus 1 into 0 minus 0. That is 0 again. Okay, because it is 0 into minus cos alpha, that will be 0, and 0 into sin alpha is also 0. So 0 minus 0 and 0 into minus 1 will be 0 only. Now C22. C22 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 2. Now what we have to do? See, second row and second column will be eliminated. So it is 1 0 and 0 minus cos alpha. 1 0 and 0 minus cos alpha. Here it is positive 1, of course, because minus 1 raised to the power 4, that is equal to plus 1. Now 1 into minus cos alpha is minus cos alpha, and then 0. Minus 0. So it will be minus cos alpha only. Minus cos alpha. Now C23. C23 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 3. Then second row, third column will be eliminated. Second row and third column will be eliminated. 1 0 0 sin alpha. 1 0 0 sin alpha. So it will be equal to minus 1 because minus 1 raised to the power odd number, it is 5. So it will be minus 1. Now 1 into sin alpha is sin alpha. Minus 0 into 0 is 0. Sin alpha minus 0. That will be equal to minus sin alpha. Now C31. C31 is equal to what? Minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 1. 3 1 0 0 cos alpha sin alpha, 0 0 cos alpha and then sin alpha. So it will be equal to plus 1 and then 0 minus 0. So it will be 0 only. Now C32. C32 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 2. And then in determinant, third row, second column will be eliminated. Third row, second column. So it will be 1 0 0 sin alpha. 1 0 0 sin alpha. So it will be equal to minus 1 because it is 3 plus 2 5. 5 is odd number. So 1 into sin alpha is sin alpha minus 0. Sin alpha minus 0. That is equal to minus sin alpha. Again. See, it is minus 1 into sin alpha. So minus sin alpha. Now C33. C33 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 3. And then third row, third column will be eliminated. This and this. So 1 0 0 cos alpha. 1 0 0 cos alpha. That is equal to plus 1 because 3 plus 3 is 6, which is even number. Now 1 into cos alpha is cos alpha minus 0. So it will be equal to cos alpha only. Now what we have to do? Now we have to find C. C is C11, C12, C13. C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32 and C33. So C is equal to what? Let us write the elements. It will be minus 1 0 0, minus 1 0 0, and then what? 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha. 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha. And lastly what? 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha. 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to what? It is equal to C dash, means transpose. So this will be written as this. So it will be minus 1 0 0 like this. Now this will be written in this manner. 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha, and then this will be written as this. So it will be 0 minus sin alpha and then cos alpha. So now what we have to find? A inverse. A inverse is equal to adjoint of A upon determinant A. So A inverse is equal to 1 upon minus 1. We know very well that determinant A value is minus 1 again. And now adjoint of A. What is adjoint of A? It is minus 1 0 0, 0 cos alpha, 0 minus cos alpha and minus sin alpha, and lastly 0 minus sin alpha and cos alpha. So finally A inverse will be equal to what? A inverse is equal to, all the signs will be changed here inside because this minus 1 minus will be shifted here. 1 upon 1, that is 1 only, so it will be minus 1 because minus 1 upon 1, that is minus 1. So minus sign is multiplied inside, so it will become 1 0 0. Now 0 cos alpha sin alpha and then 0 sin alpha and minus cos alpha. Sin alpha and minus cos alpha. This is the final answer. So in this way we can find out the inverse in question number 10. It is over now. Thanks a lot for watching our channel, and please do subscribe it, like it and share it as much as possible. Question 11, by mistake it is written 10th. Thanks a lot.